In front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Then scroll down a tiny bit to click on Biometrics and Password. Now click on Lock Screen Password over here and tap on Select Unlock Method. Finally, you can click on one of those: 4-digit PIN, Custom PIN, Pattern or Password. After picking a perfect one, you need to create it over here. Then repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, hit Done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by selecting Add in the pop-up and following all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, just click on Cancel. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!